Hello, Libra. It's like a breath of fresh air, you know, Venus going through your sign. Maybe we'll have a little bit of luck, maybe a little bit of love this month, huh? Energy's coming in. You, Prince of Swords, most likely. Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. There's a lot of energy, getting their power back maybe because it is your season and you got a lot of personal planets going through there. But we shall see. Current environment, getting over heartbreak with the Three of Swords in reverse possibly, what's crossing it. You didn't get wish fulfillment, or you're feeling like you still want wish fulfillment, even though you're getting over this heartbreak in some way. Your goal, what crowns you, is the Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, someone with a lot of energy. They're here, there. They're just everywhere. And they're usually very attractive, and like I said, they're very passionate type people. Foundation, letting down your swords, seeing things for how they are, and opening yourself up again to people with the Two of Swords in reverse. In the past, you may be dealing with the Princess of Discs in reverse. This could be a Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but not necessarily. It's just someone not feeling real secure in life right in the past. And maybe it had to do with heartbreak and sorrow. I gotta move this lamp over. Hopefully I don't knock everything over. There's a near future. It's a Three of Wands, but it's in reverse there. But we could take it either or because we did see it in the upright. But the Three of Wands in reverse is waiting for your ships to come in. In the near future, you may feel like your ships aren't coming in. But we just saw it try to fall out, showing it. It's in the upright, showing it. It's very well possibly that they could come in. You just may be feeling like yuck. Because you are coming out of heartbreak, but you're still kind of feeling it a little bit. Or the energy would not be there. So let's go on. Possible future outcome and advice from the universe is that gain is coming into your life with the Nine of Pentacles in the upright. Like the Nine of Pentacles in the upright, it's also being able to regain independence, and is also a Venus type card. It is your type of card. Hopefully I can get these all in this. This is a new setup. Outside environment, what is coming towards you out of your control, a Knight of Swords. Could be another air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. It is in reverse. It doesn't have to be an air sign. As I always tell people, it could be someone who's very sharp with words. So you may be still dealing with people, even though you're opening yourself up more and you're overcoming heartbreak, you're still hearing the nitty-gritty of other people, and it may get you turned around. Either the sharp words will turn you around or you'll be doing those sharp words. But I consider this outside environment that you may be hearing something or something may happen that may turn you around, or you'll be dealing with another air sign, like I said. Your hopes and fears, you're afraid everything that's offered to you with the Seven of Cups in the upright, that you're afraid that nothing will pan out with it, that it'll be like offers that you do not like to have, that you do not like in your life. You want great offers, good offers. Final outcome, you're zapped. Your strength is still zapped, but it's not over yet. You got gain coming, but with all these energies that you went through, you're like, I could use a vacation or get away or something. You're going to be tired, in other words. You're going to feel a little, energy, a low of energy in some way. But gain is coming. I do see that, but you're feeling like so stressed out in some way that you feel like it's not going to come in. You're exhausted. You need rest. But it looks like you're opening yourself up again and gain is coming. But I need to clarify these because once I start clarifying, it can change this whole story up. So stick with me. We got, with the subject at hand, overcoming heartbreak. What's crossing it is not getting your total wish fulfillment when it comes to the emotions, with somebody. So Three of Swords in reverse, Nine of Cups crossing it while you're there for Libra. That's the current environment, or the subject in hand, I should say. The subject in hand. You feel like you didn't get a success, even though you are coming out of this sorrowful situation. You're still feeling a little blah with it, but the hardest part of it is over. So the Three of Swords in reverse, Nine of Cups crossing it, Six of Pentacles in reverse. While you're there is a subject at hand for Libra. Two wants to come out, and I'm going to let it. Yeah, you're overcoming betrayal with the Ten of Swords in reverse. You definitely want that in reverse. So you are overcoming this. And you got the Queen of Cups there. So you're overcoming a backstabbing type betrayal type situation. And it could have something to do with the Queen of Cups, who was in the upright, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But it doesn't necessarily have to be, like I said, that sign. It could be someone whose emotions are now coming in check, that are now feeling better, feeling more like themselves. Now let's go to what crowns you, or your goal is the Knight of Wands. I told you what that was. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, some with high energy. Someone's usually attractive when I run across them. So, Knight of Wands in the upright. Why are you there? For Libra, why are you there? The Hierophant. This is someone you had a relationship with in some way. Something that was solid. Something that was considered like a contract. You know, like relationships, like I said. Could be a job. But, you know, the Hierophant is about things that are solid in society, that are considered the standard, you know. So the Knight of Wands, the Hierophant in reverse, while you're there for Libra. It's like you're getting over, and the High Priestess, and you're starting to trust your gut intuition when it comes to relationships, especially with the Knight of Wands, or Rods, whatever card deck you use. You're starting to listen to yourself again. You're starting to trust yourself in certain situations. You're thinking, aha, I was right all this time. And I don't know why I'm feeling that, but I need to put it out there. But, you know, it's just these leftover energies everybody's feeling. And we're going into your season. So I want you to enjoy your season, because you do have gain coming. I want you to understand that. Now, the foundation, you're starting to come out of your shell again in some way. You're becoming more of a... You're opening yourself up. You're not putting your swords up and blocking everybody and putting people from you. It's not as bad as the Hermit or the Hangman. But it's still, when someone has their swords up, no one can get through, and they don't want to see things. They just want peace in their life. But you're putting it down, and you're ready to let things back in. You're overcoming the heartbreak. So the Two of Swords in reverse as the foundation for Libra. Why are you there? Yeah, you're putting your swords down with the Prince of Wands. Again, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius type energy. But like I said, it doesn't have to be. Someone with a lot of passion, a lot of energy, and usually very attractive. Even their personalities are attractive. They're not outwardly attractive. Their personality oftentimes is. People really like them. They're almost infectious type personality, you know. So the Two of Swords in reverse, Prince of Wands in the upright. Why are you there for Libra as the foundation, or, you know, would support some of this? Yeah, I'm working on something again with the Eight of Pentacles. It looks like this is going to exhaust you, and it looks like you don't trust it, but I do see you getting some gain in the situation. Now, in the past, you got the Princess of Disc, and that's in reverse, and you could take on this energy. It doesn't have to be an earth sign, like I said. It's someone not feeling real secure or stable in life. If you are dealing with another person, it could be an earth sign, or they're not feeling stable and secure in their life. So, Princess of Disc in reverse while you're there for Libra in the past. Yeah, but you're still moving forward. Even though you didn't feel secure, the people around you don't feel this way. Life is moving forward, as we already know, with the Chariot and the upright, and maybe moving forward pretty quickly. So, the Princess of Disc in reverse, the Chariot and the upright, while you're there for Libra in the past. And there's hope, and there's still hope. In the past, you still had hope. You know, and you're moving forward, even though you feel like maybe you didn't get the things you wanted, but you are slowly coming out of heartbreak, like I said, and feeling stabbed or in the back or betrayal. You're coming out of that. Now, in the very near future, you're going to see something leaving, or you're waiting for something to come in that you don't think is going to come in. But we did, like I said, see that Three of Wands try to pop out earlier. That's in the upright. So I do believe your ships are coming in, but you may feel that they aren't. You may feel like, after all this, I am just so exhausted. So the Three of Wands in reverse while you're there in the very near future for Libra. What's going on? Three of Wands again. That's what I said. That's what I said. You don't think they're coming in, but they are. Okay? Now let's get that in your head. Look in the mirror tonight and say, just because I don't think something's not coming in, they are coming in. I gotta believe that. Now the Three of Wands in reverse, the Three of Wands in the upright. In the very near future, while you're there for Libra, I need a soda drink. Yeah, and you're going to be thinking about it, excuse me, very intensely. As the Hermit, you may keep to yourself a little bit. Even though you're considering working on something with somebody, you may think it's not going to work out, it's not going to come in, it's not going to come in the way you're wanting it, and then you're going to keep to yourself and thinking. But don't think too long to yourself, because ships are coming in. I want you to enjoy your life for once, especially during Libra season. Go out for your birthday, enjoy it. Don't let things from the past disrupt you too much, even though I don't think you are. Now, the possible future outcome advice from the universe, if you accept it, is the Nine of Pentacles, and it says gain is coming into your life. Independence gain, where you can take care of yourself kind of gain, So Nine of Pentacles in the upright while you're there for Libra as a possible future outcome or advice from the universe. Princess of Swords. You're getting gain in your life even though you feel like it's not there. Just like I've been saying with the Princess of Swords in reverse. Again, it is Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Or you may be dealing with somebody else that's an air sign, like I said. But I'm thinking, I'm going to call this as you. And you're not thinking gain is coming, but the universe is telling you, hey, guess what? It is. But you're like, kind of having a negative attitude, which needs to change in this situation. Because you are tired. I do see that. So Nine of Pentacles in the upright. Princess of Swords in reverse while you're there for Libra. I may have to get a drink of soda or something. The Two of Pentacles. So change is coming. This is the change card. There are different decks, as we know, and they all have like different meanings. Hundreds of them, and people will tell you wrong, and this person is wrong. But in reality, everybody, if you use your intuition and you really study the cards and you keep on using them and reading for people, they turn out a certain way for you. And yeah, whatever those guidebooks say, yeah, they're true, but there's more to it. They're guidebooks. They're to study, and then you are to use it, and you will come up with different situations as you read for people. So this is true. I take this as true as change. A lot of people saying it's juggling. But this is change is coming, and it's going to take a lot of work. You're going to be very, very busy as it happens. So change can come. The universe is saying change is coming. It'll keep you busy, and you need to turn yourself around and believe in it, because it's going to happen, and you need your attitude to change. Now, the outside environment, what is coming towards you, beyond your control, is the Knight of Swords. Like I said, it could be another air sign. But it could be that something comes towards you that, interrupts your life or makes you a little bit off in some way. So Knight of Swords in reverse while you're there for Libra as the outside environment beyond their control. Could have to do with the Prince of Discs. Could be a Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but not necessarily. It could be messages. Princes to me are like pages, and pages are like messengers or younger type people or people young at heart. So you may get a message that irks you a little. So, Knight of Swords, that's the Knight of Swords, right? Yeah, Knight of Swords, Prince of Disc, as the outside environment while you're there for Libra. So don't let messages mess you up. Yeah, someone's get a little defensive with the Seven of Wands. This is beyond your control. In other words, you can't control what they do, but you can control. Can you see all this? Make sure I get it all in the picture. I need to move all this over. Can't do it just yet. But someone's get a little defensive, and I'm thinking you're going to get a message. It could be from the Earth sign. It doesn't have to. It could have someone who's more like a, how can I say it, serious type person, a serious message that may irk you, okay? I'm just letting you know that. But you don't have to let it irk you. The universe is saying take control of your situation so gain can come in your life. Change for yourself so you can enjoy life again. Don't let outside messages mess you up. Don't let it take your sunshine, in other words. Don't let it take your joy. Now, your hopes and fears, you may be fearing the Seven of Cups because it's more like a fearful type energy where you don't like the things that are offered you. You think they're all every time someone offers you something, it's going to bite, it's not going to work out. So the Seven of Cups, you don't want to manifest this type of energy. Yeah, you're not liking it. You're not liking what's offered usually. But it's like gain is coming in, but in your mind you're saying, every time someone offers me something, it just comes crumbling down. It's just not even worth it. It's just drudge. Because that's the Queen of Swords next, so that's your energy also. It possibly can be with the Libra. It could be Aquarius and Gemini, but I'm thinking this is you saying, I don't like what has been offered to me, and if someone offers me something again, it's probably not going to work out. I'm going to think like I'm the Three of Wands in reverse, but really the Three of Wands is coming through. But I'm keeping to myself and probably even overthinking a little too much. So the Seven of Cups in the upright, Queen of Swords in the upright, and the hopes and fears of Libra while you're there. The Queen of Disc again, or the Earth energy. Queen of Disc can be again, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Maybe you don't like the offers that this person is giving you. And maybe you're a little justified in not liking the offers. I'm not saying it's all in your head. I'm just saying don't let it get to you. Because when it starts getting to you, you won't enjoy life, and it's your month, man. Enjoy it, Just don't let people, because people are going to try to irritate you. But the moral of the story here, and what they're trying to show you, is don't let that happen. And I do see someone else around you that's trying to work on something. So you don't want to get that, messing up with you just because of what someone else says, Like people put their, nose in your own situation where they shouldn't, and cause you a little bit of exhaustion at the same time. Because at the end, you got the Nine of Wands in reverse. This is feeling like exhausted. It's like feeling like your strength is zapped. It's not like you can't get it back. You can. It's just feeling like, man, did I go through the ringer. So the Nine of Wands in reverse while you're there. For Libra at the very end. Hopefully I don't lose my voice totally. Yeah, you feel like you're still not getting wish fulfillment. You got it here, you got it there. Even though the universe says something good is coming in, you're going to feel like it's not. So you're going to have to get out. The only thing I can tell you is you got to get that out of your head. It's up to you, though. You can sit there and become the hermit and not go anywhere and not have any fun in your month where you can, if you really wanted to step out. But you got to step out to do it. You got to go beyond what you're doing right now. So the Nine of Wands in reverse. Nine of Cups in reverse. Libra's still not happy in the end if they don't take the universe's advice and go for that gain and change in their life. While you're there. Yeah, you feel like you're not getting a happily ever after. You're a sad sack at the very end. Even though the universe says they can offer you what you're wanting, you're not believing it. Now, if you go towards this advice and take the advice of the universe, even though you're feeling like a sad sack or not feeling really good or feeling like things aren't doing well, I'm probably going to have to cut some of this out because I feel like cursing and you're not allowed to anymore. But, just don't let something mess you up just when gain is coming. Because it kind of irks me a little knowing that good things can come to you and you may just go inside your house and turn out the lights and draw the curtains. So it's up to you. This is why we have tarot, to see our past so we can change it if we want to, or we can go with it. See what the ending energy is. I hope it's better. Princess of Cups. This could be another message, because remember I think they're pages. They're like pages to me and messengers. And it could be a message of love, of kindness, and friendship. It also, some of you could be dealing with a water sign. But like I said, not necessarily. These are emotions coming back the way you want them to. Friendly type people, loving type people around you. This I would embrace. So you can get the things that you're wanting and put away the negatives. Because I think what's going to really throw you for the loop, that's going to put you a little bit under, is someone's going to send you a message that's really defensive. And it's up to you whether you accept it in your life or you can ignore it and not answer that phone call. And just go for the things, the gain that's coming in, changes that are coming in for you, Libra. Okay? So this is your reading, and I'll upload it probably really quick. And I will talk to you later, okay? Remember, change is coming. Accept it. Bye.